Forms in Access. As we know that a form is a database object used to add, edit, and display data from a table in a user-friendly manner. While creating a form, you can choose the fields to be displayed and how they're displayed. By creating forms, you can make your database more user-friendly for those who edit and enter the records. The three main views in which a form can be displayed are: Form View is used to enter, edit, and view data. Design View is used to adjust the design of your form. It gives you a more detailed view of the structure of a form, such as header, detail, and footer sections. Layout View is used to change the appearance and size of various controls of a form. When you create a form, by default, it appears in the layout window. Creating a form. To create a form, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the desired table from the navigation pane for which you want to create a form. Step 2. Click on the Form command in the Forms group under the Create tab. The Form Design window appears with the first record of the table in the Layout view. By default, the form contains all the field labels from the table and corresponding text boxes. Step 3. Using various commands in the Header and Footer group on the Design tab, you can improve the appearance of your form. A. Logo command is used to place the image of the company or organization. B. Title command is used to edit the title of the form. C. Date and time command is used to display the date and time in the desired format on the form. Step 4. Click on the drop-down arrow of Themes command under Design tab. A list of theme appears. Step 5. Select a theme from the list. Step 6. Save the form by clicking on the Save button in the Quick Access toolbar. Step 7. The Save As dialog box will appear. Type the name of the form and click on Save button. Step 8. Click on the Form View button at the bottom right of the Form Design window to see the form. Types of forms. You can select a type of form needed by clicking on More Forms command of Forms group under the Create tab. The different types of basic forms in Access are: multiple items. In this form, you will see multiple records at the same time. Data sheet. This form just looks like a regular data sheet, but it is actually a form. It is useful when you want to show a data sheet on a subform. Split form. This form shows two parts. The upper part shows the data sheet and the lower part shows form for entering information about the record selected in the datasheet. Model dialog. It is useful in creating navigational menu systems. It looks like a dialog box. Viewing the records. You can observe navigation bar at the bottom of the form window. The navigation bar helps in scrolling between the records. It also displays the location of the selected records in the table as well as total number of records in the table. The first record and last record buttons help to quickly move to the first and the last records of the table respectively. You can also search for a particular record in the table by entering the keywords in the search text box. Formatting a form. You can change the appearance of the form by using various options available on the Design and Format tabs. Using Design tab. You can add logo and title to your form by making use of logo and title commands present under the Header Footer group in the Design tab. Using Format tab. You can change the font, size, color, and alignment of labels, add a background image to the form, change the color of the shapes, etc. using various commands present on the Format tab. Queries in Access. A query is the most important object provided by Access 2010. It is just similar to a question and can give you information that you might not be able to find by looking at the table directly. Using a query, you can search data from one or more tables by giving specific search conditions. By using query, you are able to view the exact data that you want. You can then review, add, change, or delete data from your database. Access allows you to create or build a query and save in the database so that you can run it multiple times. The Query Design command present under the Queries group on the Create tab is used to create a query. Types of queries. The different types of queries in Access are: Select Query. It retrieves data from one or more tables. It displays the record in a data sheet to group data and to calculate sum, count, average, etc. Parameter Query. It is a type of select query which prompts you for the input before it runs. It uses the input as the criteria that controls the result. Action Query. It creates a new table or alters your data by adding, deleting, updating, and appending data from it. Cross-tab Query. It is a query that uses a row heading and column heading so that you can see your data in terms of two categories at once. Query Types. Setting up relationship. An association between two tables on the basis of a common field is called relationship. The common field in the first table is called primary key, and in the second table it is called foreign key. The foreign key field must match with the primary key field in the first table. For creating relationship between two tables, we need to first create primary key in both the tables. To create a relationship, create two tables. Table named Students Detail that holds general information about the students such as their roll number, name, father's name and class. Table named Students Marks that holds information about roll number, marks and percentage. To define relationship between the two tables, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the Relationships command from Relationships group under Database Tools tab. Step 2. The Show Table dialog box will open. Click on the Add button. The selected table will appear in the Relationship window. After adding the desired tables, click on the Close button to close the Show Table dialog box. Step 3. Click and hold on the primary key field of one table. Step 4. Drag the mouse pointer to the common field in the other table and release the mouse button. Step 5. This will open Edit Relationships dialog box. Click on the Create button. This will create a line or relationship between the related fields of the two tables. Creating a query. To create a query, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Query Design command from Queries group under Create tab. Step 2. The Show Table dialog box will open. Select the desired table and click on Add button. Step 3. Add the field's name to the query window and specify the criteria. The parameters of the design grid in the bottom part of the query window are: Field. It is the first row of the design grid that displays the selected field names from the table. Table. It displays the name of the existing tables in the relationship window. Show. This means that the field with the check mark will be displayed in the result and the fields with an unchecked mark will not be displayed when the query runs. Sort. It displays the data in either descending or ascending order during the runtime. Criteria. This displays the condition on the basis of which the records will be filtered and displayed in the query output. Or, it is used to set multiple conditions in a query. After creating the query, we need to run the query by clicking on the Run button. The related records of the query will be displayed in the datasheet view. Reports in Access. A report in Access is a feature which allows you to organize and present your data in a user-friendly format so that it can be printed. The 4 new tabs that appear on the ribbon of the report window are Design, Arrange, Format, and Page Setup. Creating a report. To create a report, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the desired table for which you want to create a report. In this case, we have opened the table named Students Marks. Step 2. Click on the Report command from Reports group under Create tab. The report of the table which is open will be created.